Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn about verbs that use both gerund and infinitive forms with the same meaning. These are special verbs like, love, hate, start, and begin. Both forms work exactly the same way. Here are the 5 main verbs. Like, love, hate, start, begin. These verbs can use either the gerund form ending in ing or the infinitive form with to plus the verb. Both choices give the same meaning. The big rule is simple. Gerund equals infinitive, same meaning. Like doing equals like to do, love doing equals love to do, hate doing equals hate to do, start doing equals start to do, begin doing equals begin to do. Both forms express the exact same idea. See these examples. She likes reading books or she likes to read books. Both mean the same thing. They love playing football or they love to play football. Same meaning. We hate waking up early or we hate to wake up early. He started learning French or he started to learn French. Remember the key rule. Gerund equals infinitive and they have the same meaning. Both forms express the same idea. Choose whichever sounds more natural to you. Both are correct. Now look at like examples. I like reading books. I like to read books. She likes playing tennis. She likes to play tennis. We like swimming in the ocean. We like to swim in the ocean. Both gerund and infinitive work perfectly with like. Here are love examples. I love dancing. I love to dance. They love cooking Italian food. They love to cook Italian food. She loves traveling around the world. She loves to travel around the world. Love works great with both forms. Finally, hate examples. I hate getting up early. I hate to get up early. He hates doing homework. He hates to do homework. They hate waiting in lines. They hate to wait in lines. Hate uses both gerund and infinitive forms equally well.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.